If you want to analyze more than one chart at the same time in TradingView, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. I'll walk you through how to split your screen into multiple charts, customize the layout, sync charts together, and avoid common beginner mistakes. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once your chart is open, go to the top right area of the screen. Look for the layout button. Usually looks like a small grid icon. Click on it. A menu will appear with different chart layout options. You'll see layouts for 2 charts, 4 charts, and larger grid layouts. For this example, select the 2 chart layout. As soon as you click it, TradingView will split your screen into 2 separate charts. Now here's something important. Each chart works independently. That means you can load different stocks, crypto pairs, or timeframes on each chart. For example, you could have Bitcoin on the left chart, Apple on the right chart, or a 5-minute chart on one side, a daily chart on the other. This is very useful for comparing markets or tracking multiple timeframes. Now let's change the symbol on one of the charts. First, click inside the chart you want to edit. This part matters. Make sure the chart is selected before changing anything. A lot of beginners accidentally edit the wrong chart because they forget to click inside it first. Once the chart is selected, type in any ticker symbol, for example, Amazon. Then press Enter. Now let's adjust the timeframes. At the top of each chart, click the timeframe menu. You can set completely different timeframes for each chart. For example, 1-hour chart on the left, daily chart on the right. This setup is popular because it helps traders follow the larger trend while also looking for short-term entries. Next, let's talk about syncing charts. This is one of the most useful features in TradingView. Near the top of the layout settings, you'll find synchronization options. You can sync crosshairs, timeframes, symbols for beginners. I recommend syncing crosshairs and timeframes first. Crosshair sync allows your mouse movement to line up across all charts. This makes comparing price action much easier. Timeframe sync means changing one chart. Timeframe automatically changes the others too. Now be careful with symbol sync. If this setting is turned on, changing one ticker symbol may change every chart in the layout. Many beginners think they broke the layout when this happens, so just keep that in mind. Now let's add indicators. Click inside the chart you want to customize. Then press the indicators button at the top. You can add indicators like moving averages, RSI. You can even use different indicators on different charts. For example, one chart can focus on trend analysis. Another can focus on momentum. This keeps your charts cleaner and easier to read. Now here's another important step. Save your layout. Go to the top right corner and save the chart setup. This prevents you from losing your layout later. I also recommend giving your layout a name. For example, swing trading. This makes it easier to switch between setups in the future. Now here's a quick tip. If your screen feels crowded, hide panels you are not using. You can collapse the watch list or side menus to create more chart space. This helps a lot if you are using a smaller monitor or laptop. And one final thing, do not overload your screen with too many charts right away. A lot of beginners try using 6 or 8 charts immediately. Usually that just creates confusion. Start with 2 charts first. Get comfortable with the workflow. Then expand later if needed. And that's how to use multiple charts on TradingView. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more beginner-friendly tutorials.